Hi guys! Today we're going to make beef broccoli. We're gonna harvest broccoli from our garden and it's been raining, so yesterday I checked out the garden and the broccoli has been going crazy. So the broccoli became a broccolini. So let's get started. This is an exciting day for us because we are making a dish with some ingredients fresh from our garden. Wash the broccoli really well. The full ingredients list is in the description. Using a very sharp knife, slice the beef into thin strips about 1/4 inch thick against the grain and position the knife at an angle just like this. Then set it aside. In a medium pot, let's boil water to be used for blanching the broccoli. Here's the tip: add oil and salt. These two ingredients will help make the broccoli's color more beautiful, vibrant green. Now let's make the marinade for the beef. Combine low sodium soy sauce, oyster sauce, baking soda, cornstarch, and ground black pepper. You may use a spoon to combine. I almost forgot to add the honey. You may use sugar if you like. I washed my hands really well and I like using my hand to massage the beef to incorporate all the ingredients really well. Massaging the beef along with the baking soda will help make the beef more tender. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Slice the ginger really thinly. Carrots too, sliced thinly. And the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. We will add green onions to the beef broccoli and some for garnish later. Mince the garlic. Now that the water is boiling, let's add the broccoli. Blanch for about 30 seconds to 1 or 2 minutes depending on the size of the broccoli or according to preference. For this recipe, I blanched them for about 30 seconds as we like the broccoli crunchy. Transfer the broccoli into a bowl with ice water to stop the cooking process. After 3 minutes, transfer the broccoli into a strainer to remove the excess water, then set them aside. For the sauce, in a small bowl, combine oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, water, cornstarch, red wine vinegar to perk up the flavor, pepper to taste, cayenne pepper, this is optional, then honey or sugar. Mix well to combine and set it aside. Using a wok or a saute pan on medium-high heat, add the oil and fry the beef for about 1 minute on each side. This beef cooks really fast. And make sure there's enough searing on each side of the beef, just like this. Now this pan is very hot and smoky, and this is awesome. Now let's set it aside. In the same pan on medium heat, add oil and saute the garlic for about 30 seconds. Now let's add the ginger. Saute for about 30 seconds, stirring constantly. Now the carrots. Saute for about 1 minute. Let's add the beef back into the pan Then stir to combine. It smells really good. I feel so hungry. Now let's add the sauce. Mix it again to make sure that the cornstarch is fully dissolved. You may double the sauce if you like it more saucy, but this is how we like it. Now the beautiful broccoli. Taste if you need to add, adjust the salt and sweetness to your liking. Perfect. Add a sliced green onion. At this point, you may sprinkle sesame seed oil if you like. Now it's done, so let's eat. We did it! The best part of the day is the taste test. Alright. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. We can add sesame seed oil before you serve it or after it's cooked. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put a little bit sesame seed oil. It's all up to you if you want to put more. And that's it. And I have rice here. Okay, I'm so excited. This is so beautiful and smells wonderful. Okay, let's do it. I have rice, I have the meat and the beautiful broccolini and the wonderful beef flank steak. Here we go. Wow. This is so good. The meat is so tender and flavorful. And then the broccoli and broccolini, they're still crunchy, but cooked. Amazing. And the ginger, it's just a subtle flavor of the ginger. We didn't put a lot. It's not overpowering. Look at that. Look at that meat. Very soft. Delicious. Wow. So I'm gonna finish this. You guys, what are you waiting for? You can make this now. Easy, right? It's not very complicated. And you guys have a wonderful day. Take care. Hug your loved ones. Big hug for you. And I'll see you on the next video. And if you wanna check out another video, here it is. You take care and God bless. Bye!